So hello friends, I am Ithas and you are watching Ghosty Gigabytes. So today I am going to show that how to remove bottleneck and maximize your performance of your gaming rig for free. Yeah, you heard it right, absolutely free. So here is a little software tweak you need to do. Nothing hardware upgrade you need to do here. So let's get started. First of all, you need to fire up your browser and then go to gamedebate.com. Yeah, once it's load, go to more and click on can it run. Then you need to select the game you want to run on a rig. So I'm selecting Destiny 2. Yeah, here it is. So that's a spec that I've tried earlier, and this is you can see a quite noisy spec. So uh, here you need to select your RAM. So actually here you need to give your CPU name, GPU name, and amount of RAM you have on your rig, and you need to click Can it run? So new tabs open and so now you could see RAM is okay, GPU is not okay, CPU is not okay. So you could see bottleneck GPU. So right now you need to click on remove bottleneck. Yeah. So now you could see RAM is still okay, graphics still okay, and now you could see bottleneck CPU. Now you need to click remove bottleneck again and processor okay, graphics okay, RAM okay. So as you could see, all the bottlenecks from the system are removed. And thanks for watching my video. And if you think that this video is good, you can hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel for new latest videos. Thank you.